Hello my lovelies, how are you all doing? I hope you're keeping well and staying crafty. I'm coming on with entry number 3 into my 65th birthday giveaway. I will leave the leave the details to the video in the description box if you wanted to join in and you hadn't already seen the video. Right, this one, number 3, is from the lovely Anne Lane. This is the envelope that she sent it in. She's so good at her little doodling, little drawings. They're beautiful. You're so clever, Anne. And this is the card she sent. If you don't know Anne, she doesn't do videos, but she is on Instagram and she's ever so supportive of everybody. She's really another lovely lady. Look at this beautiful card. She's doodled all the flowers and then gone over them with, I can't think what they're called, the shimmery pens. Why does your mind go blank as soon as you put the camera on? Now, hang on a minute. My mind is blank anyway. Camera or no camera. So that's the beautiful card. And then here we have the beautiful little envelope. I don't know how you've got such patience, Anne. Oh, no. That's not for me. I just couldn't do it. Well, I could probably do it, but I would it'd be a big scrawk mark in it, like a 5-year-old at the end of it. So that's the lovely little envelope that she put the ATC in. And here's the beautiful ATC. So it looks like we've got, it could be a bought paper underneath, or it might be stamped on. Don't know. And then she's drawn these beautiful flowers over the top. Oh, I'm going to say that is a paper. I don't think Anne's stamped on that. I think that's a paper. Might be totally wrong. That is just so gorgeous. And you're so good at shading as well. I know I've said it before, but you're so good at shading all your things. It's beautiful. So yeah, please pop across to Anne's Instagram. I will leave the link in the description box. Dearie me. So thank you again, Anne, ever so much for joining in. Take care everyone, and thank you for watching. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.